Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, NIO looks decent for a short. There's just so many of different names today for potential shorts. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, Mark. What the wrong button? Okay. Genius is Genius and Save are probably gonna be main watches. I have located 200,000 shares of this Genius. Are you kidding me on IBIO? I sold my shares yesterday before they closed. I got tired of it. And I was capping up. Classic. I see a lot of these penny names capping higher pre-market. A lot of them. I think we're nearing a short-term pullback in the markets. There's just so many shit stocks capping up big. Coffee and Beano. Yes, that is a long from yesterday on Zoom. Looks like it's gapping down a little bit today. So VTIQ is now finally Nicola. I also raised my stop to yesterday's lows. I only have a tiny position left. Like a 6th position or something. 1/6 of my initial position. Let's see what we have here. Other than that, IBIO gap up, which I missed. Everything looks fine. I really hope this Zoom goes to like 240 today and then maybe 260 or so on Monday. I think we'll get a great short on this thing. I just don't think we're there yet. D-Dog is waking up. I bought D-Dog late day yesterday and I sold Shopify. Shopify closed a little bit too weak. It just pulled back to the rising 20 days, holding that, and I think it's gonna set up again. I may rebuy it today if it sets up. Alright, so Genius will be main watch. Remember, this thing can go to 15. Don't be early on it. Don't get run over. I'm also watching some of these airlines for a potential short. Save is gonna be my main one, because that's the one that's up the most over the past 2 weeks or so. But yeah, we'll see what. And I'm also watching this DFS and SYF, these financial names. I just shorted 50,000 shares of Save. And also 70,000 shares of Genius. Both are starter positions. Okay, Save I already almost got stopped out. The fuck? Oh my god, my stop loss is not working. What the fuck? Wow. Okay, there was some lag, never mind. There was some lag. My stop loss did work. There was just some weird lag. I also got stopped out of Genius starter. Looks like this thing wants to go higher. Wait, Genius, did they? Oh, it's a negative tweet. Yeah, it's a momentum stock. You gotta wait for backside, etc., etc. Um, not even Citron can make it go down for now. It's not that they lost their touch, it's just the stock is as a relentless demand for now. They're gonna be correct. This Genius is gonna go to back to $5 by next week probably. But right now it can go to $5. Oh, sorry, 15, 20 before that. So let's see here, Genius is halted. I just re-shorted 60,000 shares of Save. 1994 average. Let's see. I shorted 20,000 shares of LUV also. Yes, Genius is halted. I'm building some short exposure here. Oh wow, mRNA is losing the gap up. Maybe mRNA gives us... Oh, actually no, wait, is it Friday? No, it's Thursday. Okay, never mind. Maybe I'll short more mRNA later. Or I'll add to my position, that is. Oh shit, DraftKings. Oh, never mind. DraftKings is getting stronger here. I'm also looking to short some of these financials. I'm thinking about DFS. Plug is moving. It's a very thin stock though. So DFS, I shorted 20,000 shares of that one. All right, let's see. Genus held VWAP very nicely. There's no reason to short it right now at all. Like, unless it loses VWAP, there's not even any point to take a starter. So I took on some decent short exposure so far, about 3 million in short exposure so far in airlines and credit card companies. This Beyond Meat is setting up really nicely for tomorrow. It's pretty much building a high tide flag. Yes, the entry yesterday, I bought it at 60 bucks. I bought 24,000 shares at 60 bucks. But I actually sized down 5,000 shares because I had the, I had so much exposure. I didn't want to hold, I wanted to just size down a little bit of my exposure. I'm a little bit tempted to also short this SYF. I shorted some of this SYF. I just can't, I couldn't help myself. 25,000 shares. This is a much smaller position. Than the DFS position. ECB looks like he wants to break down here. Oh, AMD is actually getting stronger. Interesting. Nvidia is building a high tide flag. It's yeah, I think there's just so many setups over everywhere right now. Save is working excellently. I wish I had shorted more of Save. Genius. What I'm gonna wait for the first red 5-minute candle. I may add a starter at that point. Oh, genius. Oh, it halted. Fuck. Oh Jesus, XSP82. This is the one I had like 1 million shares last week. A lot of these extended stocks are reversing. NIO looks also good as a short. I'm just ignoring it. I have too many other things going on. What's Mark doing? Mark doing nothing. Okay. INO. How long was Genius halted last time? Was it 5 or was it 10 minutes? Five minutes. Okay, Genius, let's see. It's about to lose the VWAP here. I did short a little bit in anticipation of that. Potential VWAP loss. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of it again. But it's a small starter. It's only a tiny starter. Financial stocks are coming back. Okay, I got stopped out of most of my starters so far. Like this Genius, I'm gonna build some huge size on this thing. So that's why I'm taking these small starters. But so far, we'll see. Yes. I am shorting Gnos. I'm shorting Genius. Good luck. Team Sykes pumping CIDM. Why am I not surprised? I'm looking at save. Maybe if it fails, if save fails here at VWAP, I'm gonna short more. Or maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. Haven't decided yet. Damn, this plug. I had 100,000 shares of this thing when it tried to break out on this day. Man. Alright, things are starting to calm down a little bit. It's a very busy open. I haven't had this busy open in a while. DraftKings, I think I'm gonna get stopped out of this short. Melee about to hit new highs. GAN It's now trying to bounce after its 3-day pullback. Look at the 60-minute chart. It bounced perfectly off the rising 65 EMA. So far acting super well. Look how beautiful it bounced. Now I hope it can close green. Oh, SYF. I think I got stopped out. Yeah. I got stopped out. All right. DFS. Oh, DFS too. Okay, I got stopped out at the financials. They are not going down. Nari is one I've talked a lot about. For me, it's too thin. The buy was down here, like 48-ish. That was when it broke out. Right now, there's nothing here. If you're not long from like 48, yeah, you need to wait for a setup. But I really like the technology. Oh, Genius. I added more shares. I'm now short 100,000 shares of Genius. Or maybe I'm gonna lose 500k or more shorting Genius. Yep. It's halted again. Hopefully we can get one more good setup before it cracks. This thing could go to like $6 today if it really starts fading. S3, oh, just now. Oh, but it's old news, I think. Yeah, it's old news. We already knew it was coming. It's just it got filed. Yeah, it's already known from like a couple of weeks ago. The stock still went higher. But they're gonna dilute. I think they're gonna double their outstanding shares or something. So yeah. But I guess it may be news to some of these crazy Robin Hooders that are buying this thing. What, QQQ's new all-time highs? Wow, look at that. Yep. GAN, I don't see a good setup here right now. But if you believe this thing can go to 40, 50, I don't know. Sure. Oh, I hope this DFS goes like low mid 60s and gives us another. I lost 46,000, 47,000 on SYF and DFS shorts. And save, if it starts losing VWAP later, I may add to it. But it could also stop me out and go to like 23 by tomorrow. Yay. I don't know, it's more of an investing stock. It's not really a trading stock. And it's also not a growth company. It's big and bloated. I prefer growth stocks. I prefer growth stocks. All right, Genius open. It's now below VWAP. Let's see if it can. If it gets rejected off the VWAP, I may add more. So far it held. The momentum in this thing is amazing. Plug looks really good. Does look good, man. I'm not gonna chase it here though. Okay, so far it got rejected of the VWAP. Genius. Oh yeah. Oh damn, I missed the ad on it. Damn it, I wanted to add. I have offers higher. Oh shit. No, don't do this. Don't go straight down. No, bounce. Please bounce. Bounce. Please bounce a little bit. Okay, I need to cover some here. You bastard. Is it halted again? Oh, come on. It is a small cap. 1 billion is a small cap stock. And it's actually 2 billion. But 2 billion is still a small cap. I think mid cap starts at 2 or 3 billion, depending on who you ask. But yeah, it's a bloated name. Um, my average short, my position is 1003 average 100,000 shares. I wanted some in the 970s. I didn't get filled, so we'll see about that. These cruise lines actually look like good potential long setups. Like CCL and RCL. And obviously I'm already long NCLH. SC? No. Or, I mean, look, you could short it here. I mean, I see what you see. It's an overextended stock. It's up 5 days in a row. Or this is like the 5th day. I see what you see. I mean, yeah, you could short it. You could short it. You could short it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm long. I think it's gonna go higher, but I see what you see. If I wasn't short, if I wasn't long, I could, you know, that would be a setup I would trade potentially. Not a 5-star setup, but it looks decent. So, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you have a defined risk reward. You know, it could very easily pull back to low 80s or something today, you know. But I have a longer term long in it. This AAL, another airline, this one is actually hitting new highs. Interesting. It is actually hitting new highs. I'm actually gonna size down a little bit on SC just because I think it could pull back a bunch. I'm up like 52% on it, so you know I still have about half size. Oh, beyond me to start to break higher. I really hope it doesn't go today. And Zoom is also one of these setups. Yeah, it could be a shortable setup. I just don't think they're good enough. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm biased since I'm long. I don't know. Save reclaimed VWAP. Okay, I covered up 10,000 for this genius. Oh my god, I need to cover up more. Oh, come on. Okay, okay. Alright, so I've covered up 20,000 shares so far. It's a 6-figure trade. It's just too fast. I need it. If we can just get one more big bounce to mid-high 90s, I would like to short another 100,000 shares of this thing. It was just too fast. Man, I'm not good at trading these fast stocks. I'm really not good. If you want to trade fast stocks, you only have to like look at one stock, but I'm looking at 15 stocks. It's kind of hard. Livongo. No, it's not failed. Look at the 60-minute chart. It's just retesting this rising 20 EMA. As long as it holds this 5850 area, in my opinion, you know, sometimes breakouts they retest. It doesn't mean they're failed. It's just a retest. Not all breakouts go straight up. Most don't actually. So I think it's a little bit too early to say it failed. I think save is gonna stop me out. LUV already stopped me out. Soxel is having some continuation. Gotta be ready to cover some more genius. Save was a good long when it broke out here, like in the high 11s, low 12s. That's when you buy it. It's absolutely not a buy here. But yeah, I mean, both types work. Both bottom breakouts and like extended stocks, they work. It depends on market environment, etc. That's been a little bit of special past 2 months. Is both the strong stocks and the weak stocks have worked really well, or the beaten down names. Yeah, MU is starting to come out of its range. They guided higher last week, and I just think, yeah, it could go, but it's been a huge laggard. I think there are better ones out there. Nvidia is starting to break higher. Yeah, it's yeah. I'm not in it. I have so much exposure right now. I mean, I really need to think twice before I like buy anything more. I mean, it's just too much exposure right now. I have over 12 million long exposure. I just, you know, if I hadn't this much in long exposure, I would probably have bought a bunch of Beyond Meat. Yeah, Interactive Brokers is not a great broker for shorting stocks. they're not. They're good if you go long, but they're definitely not great for shorting. I actually hope these stocks, these airlines and the financials and etc., they're all taking out highs of the day now. I really hope we get a setup tomorrow on these. I hope they just keep going today. I think Genius should reopen any... Oh, they're gonna go for a 10-minute halt now. Yep, they're gonna go for a 10-minute halt, looks like. Oh man, I'm gonna take a fat loss on this save, it looks like. Probably over 50k. If it stops me out, that is. That's fine. Nvidia looks good, just trying to come out of this mini flag. Wow, so many stocks. What is this THO? Okay. Oh, it's thin. Okay, it's too thin. Yeah, I saw that hurts. I did see it. Hurtsy, hurtsy. So Livongo on the 60-minute chart, so far it's bouncing off the rising 20 EMA. So it looks good so far. Okay, when are these guys gonna unhalt? Okay, any minute now. Huge fail. Oh, thank God. Okay, that's a good thing. Man, I sold my 140,000 shares yesterday before the close. And then I saw it gapping to 180s pre-market. Like, oh, come on. Like, I was afraid it was gonna go to like 250, $3 without me. But okay, it's a good thing it's failing here. Otherwise, I would have been pissed. Alright, I'm gonna make a phone call, so be right back. All right, I am back. You know, I'm a little bit tempted going along the CCL. A little bit tempted, to be honest. I also covered some more Genius. I still have 65,000 shares. I don't know if this is gonna be a 5 or 10 minute halt. I'm too lazy to go to Nasdaq webpage. I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out. Let's see, BA shape. Okay, this is good. I see a lot of these airlines are they want to take out highs. I think there's gonna be some insane setups for tomorrow if they, unless they like fade today. Yeah, KZR. Man, I need to turn my AC up. It's getting really hot here. Yeah, Skip City. That's out. That was out like 20 minutes ago. I have no idea what S1 and R1 means. I'm sorry, I have no idea what those things are. Oh, LUV. Holy shit. Oh, I'm drooling over some of these setups. Like NIO, if this thing can go to like 650 today, oh my god, there's gonna be. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, DAL. Oh, AAL. What the fuck? Look at these airlines. I remember when I shorted this thing back in September 2017. It's too thin for me, but for those of you with smaller accounts, this could definitely be a short setup later today or tomorrow. Right now, there's some insane chasing going on. I'm gonna pass on CCL. Oh fuck. Oh, I don't know, man. I really shouldn't take on more long exposure. That's the thing. I have so much long exposure. Okay, save. I'm out. I took 2 losses on it. Total of 59k or so. I hope this thing can go to like 23, 22, 23 or higher tomorrow. Okay, Genius looks like it's another 10-minute halt. I'm gonna pass on this one. Ooh, insane things setting up. Wait, save. I'm still not. What? Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, pen is strong today. Yep. I hope this thing goes to 40 plus in the next few sessions. What the hell is this? Oh my god, what the hell is this? Crazy shit going on. Guys, this is the type of market the amateur short sellers blow up. Be very careful. If those of you who are shorting these momentum stocks, this is the exact market people, you know, newer people blow up because they underestimate things and they don't have risk management, etc., etc. Just be super careful. And also don't chase these things on the long side. I know most of you know better, but still, there's a lot of new people in the room and, or not in the room, on the feed. Zoom. Yeah, so far. I've been moving my stop up. We'll see. I'm gonna be right back in a few minutes. All right, I am back. I'm in the process of buying a new car, so I'm having some phone calls and stuff going on. Exactly. It's afternoon in Sweden, so I don't think they think I'm working. X5M? Yep, you know. Yep. No, I'm buying an X5M. Not a Volvo. I don't want a Volvo. I'm buying this one. This is the exact car. Like, if you want to buy a new from the factory, it takes 6 months. 6 months. Holy fuck. So they have this demo car. They're gonna have it for another month and a half, and then I'm gonna get it. This is the exact car I'm buying. This is the car. The X5M competition. The brown looks better in real life. The colors on the photo are it looks much better. It's more reddish in real life. It looks like diarrhea brown on these pictures, but it looks much better. Yeah, XC90. I've driven XC90. It's one of the best looking SUVs, but they don't have great engine options. That's the problem with Volvo. That's the main problem with Volvo. They don't have great engine options. Yeah, I drove this one today. It's kind of funny. There's a famous Swedish soccer player. He was also interested in this car. He dropped out because he didn't like the color of the seats. He wanted the like interior. He wanted it all white or all black. He didn't want this brown black combo, so he dropped out on it. No, it's not Zlatan. It's not. I don't know how famous like this one. This guy. I don't know. He's a retired. He's now a trainer for some club. I don't know. I don't know if he's a star. You recognize him? Yeah. He was actually also interested in this exact same car, but he dropped out again. Whew. He would have gotten it because he was interested in it before me. So if he would have gotten it. Yeah. Ex-Barcelona, Celtic. Okay, yeah. I'm not a big soccer guy, so I know him, but I'm not really. I never followed soccer. You watch him live? All right. Yeah, I'm a better trader. That's right, bitch. He may be a soccer player, but I'm a trader. I got the car. He has to wait 6 months to get his with all black or all white. What a loser. I'm getting mine in like 7 weeks. He needs to start using stop losses. Yeah, yeah, I hope he doesn't kick my balls. Oh man, that would hurt. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't. I just wanted a quick, a quick deal. I was like, no, I don't want to wait. I want the car now. Like, I wanted to buy the car like today so I can drive it, drive it today. But nope, I have to wait because they're using it as a demo car for their premium customers. That's why they bought it. That's why the dealership bought it. And I really don't want to wait 6 months to get a new car from the factory. That's like in the fall. I want a car during the summer. Oh, DLP, and look at this candle. Pretty funny room. In what way? Dude, there's a lot of we go through a lot of topics. It's not trading or only trading. There's a lot of other things too. I'm driving a BMW X5 M50D. You can get life advice, you can get philosophical advice, you can get car advice. I'm all in one. No, I mean, it's true. It's all for free. Like, you guys you don't understand how good of a deal you're getting. You're not paying anything and you get all of these things for free. It's like the best deal ever. Thanks for helping us losers. Hey, no problem. We're all losers. I don't know if I'm a genius, but I have managed to learn a few things about trading. Wow, NIO, this thing is super liquid. I hope this thing goes like $8 by tomorrow. Yeah, I wonder when Genius is gonna reopen. It's now been halted for like what, 20 minutes? 20, yeah. Okay, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna check if they're gonna reopen. This thing, next support on Genius is in the 570s or so. Don't underestimate this thing. This thing could go down. Wow, it's already down 40% from the highs. Wow. Yeah, next target is high fives. Oh wait, I'm not short save anymore. So far I've taken some losses on a bunch of stuff, on these airlines and financial stocks. So I lost about 117,000 on these airlines and financial stocks, and I'm up about 200,000 on Genius. So I'm not having as good of a day as I should have, because I missed the ad on Genius. I wanted to add another 50,000 shares. I only got to 100,000, and I have 200,000 shares located. So, oh, it's super annoying, man. Okay, Genius is open. Holy shit! I halted again? What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, I only have a quarter left now. Only have a quarter left. Down 55%. Okay, okay, I have a 1/5 left. Holy fucking moly. Holy shit, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Oh my god, I would have needed those 50,000 shares. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm up 300k on it. It was a quick, nice little trade. What can I say? I just wish I had gotten filled on those 50,000 shares. Fuck. Wow. Now next support is in mid threes. That's really the next support. I covered a little bit more. Covered a tiny bit more. Yeah. It's a little trade. It should have been another 100k. 200k. But it is what it is. I hate when they're so quick. You don't get to, you don't get to add full size. Happens all the time. It's halted again? Jesus Christ. So Genius went from being up 46% on the day to being down 40% on the day. So it's down almost 60% from the highs. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And we all knew the offering was coming. Like it was announced, like I knew it from last week. Like people started tweeting on it negatively like last week. Here. They were going to increase their authorized shares. Yeah, here, this Eric Wu tweeted 26th of May. Just as it broke out. Now in hindsight, this could have been a nice long, but obviously. For you day traders, absolutely, it could be a long, for a quick long. I'm not gonna do it. Unless it goes down to like literally 350 or $3, then I could maybe take a small quick long on it. But it's just not my type. Wow, this Ethereum. Oh my god, no. Man, this is really so far it's one of top 3 best 2-month market environments I've traded. CRNC? No, absolutely not. No, it's just a thin random stock. There's literally 50, okay, not maybe 50, but literally 10, 15 better short setups out there right now that are liquid and not as random, in my opinion. I think CRNC, it's just a random thin stock. That's the problem. I see what you see, but there's just so many better ones. Like the most of the airlines, some of the financial names. Yes, I am paying locate fees. Like I paid like 11,000 for my Genius shares today. And I'm paying for them even if I don't use them. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I do pay for them. Even if I don't use them. So I get the locate and then I have it for the rest of the day. And I can, use it whenever I want. It's not like interactive brokers. You have to get the locate when you short it. Okay, I'm taking a call now, so be right back. INMD? No, not INMD. RH, yeah, that one could be a good one for tomorrow. Not my favorite, but it could work, absolutely. Again, I think the airlines are gonna be my main focus for tomorrow. I think the best setups are in the airline. Oh, CCL, man. I guess I should have just bought it. What if it goes like 24 or something? Oh. LVGO. Oh my god, what happened here? Oh, I didn't have a hard stop set on it. What the hell happened here? Okay, it's resting. Okay, let's see here. If it can't bounce here, I'm gonna lower my stop a little bit. I guess all the breakout chases from yesterday just got stopped out of it. That's what I'm thinking. It was such an obvious breakout, and yeah, sometimes it's you know, it's not great if things are too obvious, but it's fine. It's fine. So far, it's holding. I'm gonna use that new low as my stop. Okay, NCLH looks great. I'm gonna raise my stop by quite a bit here. FMCI looks great. DraftKings, okay. Soxol, I'm gonna raise my stop to break even. Oh, I need to sell some Soxol here, straight up. Looks like I may get stopped out of my D-Dog from yesterday. Okay, so far Livongo is bouncing here. I'm gonna, okay, 57.31. Yeah, exactly, and it's still holding the rising moving average to 20-day. So wow, this visual actually looks interesting. What the hell is this? This thing looks a bit intriguing. Wait, is Genius halted again? Oh, for fuck's sake, it's halted again. Guys, guys, I've been talking about these airlines the whole morning. You know, I think there's gonna be an insane setup on these things tomorrow. Maybe later today, but I hope we get it tomorrow. Right now, it's just straight up. Just be careful not getting in front of those things. Oh wow, NCLH looks great. We're in full momentum because they're gonna be better setups. You want the stocks to be as extended as possible before they short them. Let everyone get squeezed out. That's the reason also I shorted I didn't want to short Genius yesterday. You know, I said yesterday several times, this thing, it's a better short at 10-12 tomorrow. Because someone asked me about Genius yesterday in the 550s near the open. And I said it's gonna be ignored for me. Unless, and tomorrow if it gets to 10-12, that's when I want to short it, and that's exactly what we got. You want to get those few setups that go crazy. That the setups where you almost can't lose money. That's the key to shorting momentum stocks. Most of them won't go. Yeah. No. Well, it is a timing thing. You just want to see them. Oh, D-Dog, I got stopped out. You want to, yeah, exactly. You want them to squeeze out as much as possible, so you don't get chopped up on them. Like Genius, you know, if I had tried to short it yesterday, I mean, there were some good setups, like this 5-minute candle here, when it went straight up and printed the first 5-minute candle and break of that. I mean, I would have probably taken a few losses on it. So that's why you want to get them. You want them to squeeze out to a point where they almost can't go higher, and then you start looking for a weakness to short them. That's where you have the best odds. That's why I really want to get these airlines tomorrow. So, you know, if you're looking at this DAL, I mean, if you really want to short it, just wait for at least mid or late day until it has a range, and preferably it's below a VWAP. Otherwise, just, you know, take it off your screen. I think a better short is tomorrow. My thoughts on LK? I don't know. If this thing can squeeze out to $4 or $5, it could be a short. We're in just full momentum mode right now. So many stocks just going straight up. I both love and hate these types of markets. There's just so much going on, which is both good and bad. Okay, D-Dog, I got stopped out from yesterday late day. I took a $54,000 loss. Wow, really? Oh yeah, really? Okay, I thought it was gonna be less, but alright. Shopify already took out yesterday's lows. Okay. Zoom also, it's fading. Oh. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna sell Zoom while I still have a profit on it. I'm just gonna sell it. I'm done with it. I was hoping it would go straight up. Why can't these things go straight up? Okay, I took a small profit on Zoom. I don't want to risk anything. This thing could go to like 205 today. It did have a good short setup today, but I was hoping for more. That's the thing. Okay, Genius. I covered a little bit more. I only have 12,000 tiny shares left. Genius. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna cover all Genius here. It's gonna bounce. I think it's gonna bounce. Is it halted again? Oh, I still have 6,000 shares in Genius. Alright, NCLH. Now it's over that resist. I think next stop for NCLH could be $24. Yeah, BA, all the airline related stocks are relentless. That's absolutely true. That is true. Holy shit, the save is so juicy looking, man. Oh boy. And then the why do you want to go long this thing? If you can just explain what you see in the trade. Big volumes. That's it. But it's going down. I think you're gonna see better results if you only buy stocks that are going up. Like if you look at the NNDM chart, you know, it's down on the day. And it looks like it's about to break down on the 60-minute chart. Like, what's your stop gonna be if you buy it here? What's your out gonna be on NNDM? 240. Okay. I mean, the best advice I can give you is, you know, buy stocks that are going up, that are breaking out. I don't think this is a good setup. I see what you see there. It's a momentum stock. It's flagging. But I think you would be better off if you just waited for a setup to build. And exit at 4? Okay. But what if it goes to 10? You know, the best advice I can give you guys: both buy stocks that are going up and short stocks that are going down. Don't try to find tops if you're shorting or bottoms if you are going long. Grubhub. Okay, so I'm still in Genius. Never mind. So Genius was a $300,000 profit. I'm gonna cover it last 6,000 shares up as soon as it gets unhalted. It's a little bit bittersweet. $0.20. Man, sometimes it pays to chase, but yeah, it's hard. Yeah, I think Rob has. Yeah. They are actually gonna be. They're getting bought out by Uber. It's flagging because they have a buyout offer by Uber. That's why it's flagging. It's not a great setup. I mean, it could go higher, but it's just be aware they're gonna get bought out, and it may not have to break out just because it's flagging. I'm gonna size down a little bit more on Fastly too. Tiny bit. Getting a little bit of mixed signals. Software related names are weak. I think we are just a day or two away from getting a pullback in the markets, to be honest, because all these beaten down S&P 500 stocks and Russell stocks are getting extended, and software names are already weak. I don't know. Mixed signals here. No, I still have Sheg. Yeah, I'm stuck. Like, I really hope these things don't break down today. But if we get a setup later in the day on these airlines, I will short and hold for a swing. All right, Shopify. So you know what? Shopify could be a short. Holy shit, Shopify could be a short here. Yep, I'm gonna short Shopify. It looks great as a short. It's just losing the 20-day. I'm gonna do a starter on it. I'm gonna do a 1,000 share starter. Let's see, 748. 750. No, I'm gonna do a 1,500 share starter here. This is swing short. So I'm risking $10 to potentially make 100 on the downside. I think it's a good risk reward. Oh, it's on well, I don't think it matters. It's just there's nothing Kramer can say that moves this stock, or maybe he can. I don't know. It's almost a mega cap stock. I don't think he is gonna move it either way, or maybe he will. I don't know. All right, so I have. Oh, fuck this shit! I'm gonna short more Shopify. Why the fuck not? So I'm short 2,000 shares of Shopify. I'm risking $10. This thing has $100 downside. I'm risking. It's a good risk reward. It's just losing. I'm just seeing a lot of weakness in a bunch of. I think the market is near a pullback here. I really do. I'm seeing some worrisome signs. ZS is already okay. I may size down on ZS today just because I'm anticipating some kind of a pullback. You know what, guys? I'm gonna size down a bunch of stuff in my portfolio. I just sized down SC. I'm gonna size down Fastly. What about Sheg? Sheg maybe also. We're seeing some peak euphoria. When you get euphoria like we've gotten in some certain stocks, like micro caps, after a long run, that's usually a good sign. I'm seeing some of these software names starting to break down. And also these beaten down names, airlines and financials and stuff like that. They're just, you know, in full FOMO mode right now. Like when these things pull back, there's nothing to hold the markets up. So I'm playing defense here. I'm just not really. I just, you know. I can just feel it in my body. Have to be cautious. I'm moving socks will stop up aggressively. mRNA could have a short. I may add to mRNA tomorrow. Needs a little bit more on. Oh, Vissel. I think I bought some. Yeah, I bought 400,000 shares of this Vissel. Let's go. Let's go. Go to $2. Let's go, Vissel. Go to $2. Well, if I'm taking a screenshot, we're definitely gonna pull back. Nah, no more screenshots. You can get a screenshot now and then. It's been a crazy 2-month period. I don't know. I don't even know how many millions I'm up. I just don't know. That's how crazy it is. I need to go back to my logs and check, but I'm up at least 3 million. No more. No, wait. No. Past 2 months. Probably 4 or 5. Just been insane. I refuse to give any of it back. I just refuse. Yeah, that's another one. Tesla, yeah. I sized down a little bit yesterday just to free up buying power. Yeah. Shopify, 757-ish is my stop. Man, I'm so unhappy with the... I'm happy and unhappy with the Genius trade. Hopefully it can bounce back to like $8. It's not gonna, but... it would be nice if it did. So Shopify, it's still holding. If you look at the daily 60-minute chart, it's still holding these higher lows. And if it starts breaking lower, late day, takes out lows a day, I may add even more. Maybe another 500 shares or something. Beyond Meat breakout is failing so far. CCL is failing. Yeah. Interesting times. 5-minute chart. I don't have 5-minute charts on my setup right now. No, it's a 60-minute chart. The highs of this current 60-minute candle. Car is one I would love to swing short. Pen, I hope we get it tomorrow. Dow. Man, these things are already starting to move lower. They all have VWAPs coming up lower. All these airline names. I know this genius is like, oh, for fuck's sake, am I covered now? Okay, I'm covered now. Oh, come on. I'm not up 300k on Genius anymore. Because it bounced before I got to cover my 6,000 shares. I'm only up 298k now. Fuck's sake. Now I need to make like I need to make 2 grand on Genius. Super annoying. I need to scalp 2,000 on Genius. Maybe if we can get back to $8, maybe there could be a little bit of a... I don't know. ACB about to break lower, or break down. Vessel is grinding higher. Yeah, Gnus has been halted most of the day. And it's these long halts too. I think it's these 10-minute halts, or are they even longer? No, they're like 20-minute halts. No, wait. They're different. Like this was like a 10-minute, this was a 5-minute, this was like a 20-minute halt. This was a 20. I don't know why they're so different. Okay, so one short entry for later after I start streaming on these airlines is if it breaks the lows of these of the current 60-minute candle. That's one area I would take a starter in a couple of names, like Save definitely, maybe also like something like UAL or DAL or something, or LUV. That could be the first potential entry point or re-entry point on some of these airlines. But I'm not sure. I really hope they go higher and don't give an entry today. Because you know, tomorrow we're gonna have a 5+ star setup. Oh, nice whistle. Wow. What if this thing goes like $2-3? Like, I'm gonna show you the setup. I didn't have the time to explain it, but you can see this. We're in a chasers market. These kinds of stocks are doing very well. 2, this thing has big volume. An intraday chart, I'm just gonna show you how textbook this is. You have this range and you have this higher lows for several hours and you get this dollar breakout. Now it could all fail and stop me out at 92 cents, but this thing could go to $1.50, $2. I have no idea why this thing is going up, by the way, and it doesn't really even matter. Did it have any news today? Nope, I don't see any news on it. Oh man, genius. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should I reshort it? I need to make another 2 grand. Oh, okay, I need to reshort this thing, man. I just reshorted 37,000 shares. It's getting close to VWAP. If it gets to VWAP, I'll short more. I'm not sure it's gonna get there though. Gonna use like $9 as my stop. If it goes higher, I'm just so afraid it's gonna get halted and then gap down, and I'm gonna miss my entry. Maybe I was a little bit too aggressive with my entry here, but that's fine. It's a big bounce off the lows. It's just such a hard trader since it's halted all the time, but I would have probably played the bounce otherwise. Is it halted again now? No, it's not. Or is it? It is. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, really? Yeah. This piece of shit gets halted all the time. Okay, Shopify about to take out lows again soon. Oh man, I'm so tempted to add to my short. Like Shopify is a market leader. It is the it is a market leader. If this thing starts breaking down, we may be in trouble. So levels I'm looking at, LUV is one I'm stalking. Again, the lows of this, this 60-minute candle needs to finish, and then the lows of this candle. And the same thing on SAVE, or any of these airlines for that matter. UAL, DAL I also like. AAL I think is going to be better for tomorrow, but yeah. CAR also. I have to wait for this damn GNU stock to unhold. So the last halt was 5 minutes. Again, I have a starter reshort on Genius. Yeah, because the first 30 minutes, the first 60-minute candle is always 30 minutes. Yes, it is by design. So you have 6 candles, sorry, 7 60-minute candles throughout the day. And the first candle is always 30 minutes. Yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna unhold soon. Any minute now. Vissel. Yeah, they absorbed the pullback fairly well so far. Wait, am I recording this? Okay, yeah, good. I am recording this session. I hate when I forget to record. Oh, Genius, okay. Okay, oh, I got filled on Genius. More shares, that's great. So I have 70,000 shares of Genius now. Apparently it printed it. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh, what? It printed 830 and 830 is where I had those ads. Oh my god. Wow, sometimes I'm just so lucky. I can't believe it. Let's see if I can make another 100k on it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, save so far held the right VWAP. DAL held VWAP. Okay. Well, now we have to wait for Genius to get unhalted again. Oh, I didn't get filled on all of my shares. But I get filled on most of them. Okay, okay. Let's see here. Because that's where the VWAP is. I anticipated the VWAP bounce a little bit. Like my first short was here in the high 70s, or the re-short. Let's see, where was it? Yeah, 59.30. No, wait, no. That's the wrong stock. Where is it? 770. And I had another order here, 830, because I was kind of anticipating the VWAP bounce. I wasn't sure if it was going to hit VWAP, and it didn't. So I just wanted to, you know, I wanted to get shares, 2 partials. And if it had bounced to high 8s, I maybe would have added a little bit more. So I just kind of anticipated it a little bit. I was super lucky. I got filled like 90% of my order. Sometimes it's just so lucky. Can't believe that. To the penny. It's not like it traded 831. No, it traded 830. So UAVS is starting to come out of a range. I'm not gonna add to it. I already have this piece of shit VISL. I don't know what the hell it is. It's not really going as I would have liked it to, but whatever. XSPA is coming back. You know what? This XSPA later in the day, if it reclaims VWAP, could be a long. I think we could have one more day of these crazy stocks going nuts. Shopify may stop me out. I need to set a stop on Shopify. Yeah, no, I mean, I like when my stocks go straight up. What can I say? The best ones are those that go straight up. What can I say? Not always, but a lot of the time. I'm impatient. This is a instant feedback market, or instant gratification type of a market. It really is. One of the best markets I've traded. Anytime you can double your account in less than 2 months, you know, that's a good market. And I made so many mistakes along the way. It's not even funny. Shopify, so far it's bouncing. It held this rising trend line perfectly. But we'll see. It may start fading again. I'm just trying to play a little bit of defense here. It kind of feels we are going to have a nasty rug pull coming. Oh, what's VISL doing? Oh, nice. Look, guys, I will get excited if this thing goes to 150, $2. What if it goes to $2? I could make like 400k on it. I still have 390,000 shares. I only sold 10,000 so far. Like, if this thing, like, you never know. Maybe if it closes strong and maybe gaps up tomorrow. I'm getting ahead of myself, but hey. Wiesel, okay. In what way? In the way that they're all pieces of shit? Are they both in the piece of shit sector? Look. I like the piece of shit stocks. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Haha, what if it goes to 16? No. Did your loser friend suggest it goes to 16? I think your loser friend is getting ahead of himself in that case. Oh, communication? Yeah. I have no idea what Genius Brands. They have some kind of I don't know what they have. Cartoon channel, okay. And Visual is something else, okay. I don't know. I think I just sold some more. No, wait, what? No, I didn't, because I have stop set. Okay, here. When is Genius gonna halt? I need to cover some shares. It's gonna be a 10-minute halt. Be right back. I'm gonna go to bathroom. Exactly. Seriously, if this Visual goes to 16, I'm gonna give. Seriously, I'm gonna. If this thing goes to 16, like on its own, not after a reverse split, but on its own, I'm gonna buy all of you a BMW X5M. It's only a 150k car. I'm gonna buy all of you in the chat one. No, oh! Genius unhalted. Oh, no! No! Wait, what? Why am I not getting... why can't I cover? Okay, now, okay. There was some order issues. Okay, now I covered some. I covered a quarter, or less than a quarter of my Genius. Nice. Maybe I can make 400k on it. Loser. Yeah. Because everyone who drives a X5M is a loser. They actually may be if their daddy bought it for them, or if some random guy on Twitch bought it for you. You actually may be a loser. No. You're all winners. We're all winners in here. M340XI. What is that? Except Henrik Larsson, yeah. Wait, M340XI. M340. Oh. XI or I? No, actually XI. Wait, what is this? Okay. US, yeah. XI 2020. It's a 2020, I guess, or is it not? I think it's pictures. But I'm only getting the I. What's with the XI? XI. I'm only seeing the I. Wait, I found an article here. What's the difference between the M340i and XI? Oh, it's all. Oh, so it is the I. Okay, but it's the same thing as the I. It's just okay. Oh yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, it looks really good. What color? What color, David? NBR? No, I never revisited it. Oh, it's maybe it's next leg higher. Maybe it goes to 55. That would be great. Actually, didn't go down as much as I thought it would. Tanzanite blue. Okay. Tanzanite blue. Oh yeah, it looks good. Looks really good. Yeah, looks good. It's a beautiful car, man. Olive green. This one, you mean? Is this the green you yeah, it looks good. This one, wait, are these the same color? Because I think this one is too light, but this one looks much better. I think they're different. You bought it for your wife? Nice. Yeah, the green. Yeah, I already looked at the Tanzanite blue. It looks really good. No, sorry, here. No, wait. Wow, where is it? Here, Tanzanite blue. It looks really good. Black rims. So it's like this kind of a setup, right? Tanzanite blue with black rims. You mean the what? Wait. It's the Bentley, right? Bentley. What's the one? Pentaiga, because it's ugly as hell. That's why. I mean, this is like an old man's car. I just don't think Pentaiga is a good looking car. And there's like, I don't even know if there are any Bentley dealerships in Sweden. Like BMW is everywhere. I'm not even sure there are any Bentley dealerships. You don't see really many Bentleys on the roads here. Yeah, it's expensive as hell, but it's really luxurious, super luxurious car. But I mean, I just don't think it's a good-looking car. And then you compare it to that BMW X5M 2020. Like, this is a good-looking car. Like, mine is gonna be black, or mine is black. Like, this is a cool car. This is how it looks-ish. I just don't think... That's why I didn't buy the Bentayga or whatever. Vissel? Tell me it's a $2. Holy shit! I need to sell some Vissel. Oh my god! Did any of you guys get it? You're in? Yeah. Holy wow, I didn't even have that high hopes. I was thinking, hey, if it can get to 150 by tomorrow, or $2 by tomorrow, I'm gonna raise my stop now, 98 cents. My average is 99 cents, 99.7 cents. Okay, I covered some more Genius. I'm almost at 400k. If this thing can go to the low sixes, or actually low sixes, I'm gonna be up 400k on it. Mercedes-Benz GLA. Isn't that a small car? GLA. No, wait, GLA. Benz GLA. Yeah, it is a small car. It's one of the small Mercedeses. Or is it an SUV? What is this GLA? Is it an SUV, like a small SUV, or is it like just a small regular car? I can't. I don't know what it is. Not sure what it is. Oh, so it is a smaller SUV or a crossover. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's one of the smaller like SUVs or whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Exactly. Are they called crossovers? I'm not really super. Oh, what is this? Okay. Yeah, Penn could be for tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, David Daytrader must be super happy. He's like, his net worth is almost at all-time highs. I mean, Penn is up 800% from the lows. Wow. I almost felt bad for him when the stock went below 10. Like he sells. What did he sell like a third of his company? And he got Penn stock, and then the Penn stock goes down 90% shortly after. Man. You're already selling Vissel? Come on. What if it goes to 16? Seriously. No, it's not. It's not gonna go to 16. Don't lie to the stream, Christian. Don't lie. It's not gonna go to 16. Twitter is always wrong. Mark was supposed to go to 16. IMPX was supposed to go to 16. Instead, I took like 7 losses and 1 tiny profit on this IMPX. I have my exactly. Play. Yeah, what's Win and LVS doing? LVS. MGM. Yeah, MGM is already on my radar. CCL taking out highs of the day. Yeah, fuck. Alright. Genius. I'm giving it a little bit of room. I'm gonna use like, yeah, I'm gonna use this 860 as my out. I've covered this so far about 1/3, a little bit more than 1/3, maybe 40% on my ads. Hopefully it can go back to sub sixes, but I'm not betting on it. Okay, save. Oh shit, it's nearing entry point. NVAX, DFS, SYF, MGM, LU. LUV, I'm gonna reshort if it triggers. LUV is also hitting support, sorry, resistance on the weekly chart. While stuff like DAL and UAL still have some room to go. Save is also hitting resistance areas. TC2000 is the software. Oh, okay, Shopify looks like I'm gonna get stopped out any moment. Vissel, oh okay, it went to 140. Okay, I'm gonna do one more scan. Let's see what we have here. I sold 10% of VISL so far. I'm gonna sell like 10,000 shares every 10 bucks. So every 10 bucks. No, I'm sorry, every 10 cents. Oh man, every 10 bucks. Holy shit. What's the float on VISL? 70 million. Bitcoin? Yeah. Yeah. I think tomorrow, if this thing can hit like 17 bucks, would be a 4-star shorting opportunity. Mara, yeah, Mara, Riot. Its overstock is already going. Just too low priced and too thin for me. Or maybe I'll buy 100,000 shares of Mara. Why not? Why the fuck not? In case Bitcoin just get going. You know, it is a chaser's market. I mean, why the fuck not, right? Oh, you fucker. You're trading against me again. Guys, you can't trade against me. You have to trade with me. Like, I buy the stock, then I tell you guys to buy the stock. That's how it works. Come on. Look, guys, other day trading services, you have to pay money for the privilege of being front run. Here, you're getting front run for free. And we talk about cars. Seriously. Oh, just kidding, man. Just kidding. I love you guys. You can trade whatever the way you want. Sorry, Mara, I have 75,000 shares so far. Let's see, Vissel. Oh, I need to... Holy shit. I need to put some more orders out there, I guess. Holy shit, it's gonna go to $2 today, this Vissel. I'm up 170k on it. I did not see this coming. And funny thing is, I was thinking about only buying 200,000 shares. Then I was like, fuck it. Fuck it. It's a chases market. And I put another order for 200,000 shares. Sometimes you're just really lucky. What can I say? Or not lucky, but sometimes things work out really well. This XSBA, I am stalking it. It has, like, it's not breaking down. It reclaimed VWAP. And this is the one I was long. I think I was long. No, I wasn't long a million shares, but I think I was long like 400,000 shares on the day it gapped up here. And now it looks like it wants to go higher. Looks. I mean, why can't this? You know what? It's just the market we are in right now. I usually don't trade these kind of setups, but right now I just, you know, I can't ignore the market. I have to go where the market tells me to go. trade futures, okay. Yeah, CI. What's the CI? It's a stock, provides business-to-business data, information solutions. Okay, it's a growth stock. Okay, very good. But it hasn't opened yet. 87% revenue growth. That's really good. XSPA again. Let's see. Where should I buy it? Maybe I should buy some right here. Okay, I bought 100,000 shares right here. I'm trying to get filled on the other. I mean, why not? If Genius can fade back to mid fives would be very good. Because the stocks with growth and EPS and sales numbers, those are the ones that tend to get the Momo. That's why. Always have to track the best growth stocks. Those are the best ones. That's why I track the growth numbers. Well, yeah, well, these are different. These are different. Like, yeah, this is purely a technical analysis kind of a trade. Biotechs? Well, biotechs, you can do it. Like, those work a bit different. It depends. Like micro, I don't really trade the small biotechs anymore. My accounts are too big. But you can trade them when they gap up on good news, like when they have good like phase 2 data, stuff like that. Come on, Genius. Die already. I'm still not fully filled on XSPA. I have 140,000 shares so far. I may add another 200,000 shares later. Alright, anywho, I'm done streaming for today.